Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Aiman Rosman, and my metric number is 241220654. And today I will be presenting a topic about HR official awareness talk on workplace misconduct, especially this topic focusing on main issue about conflict of interest. This topic is important because it's part of my individual assignment business ethic course. Other than that, conflict of interest can harm trust, fairness, and transparency in any organization. First, let's begin by understanding means the issue of conflict of interest. A conflict of interest happens when an employer personal relationship, private gains, or financial interests interfere with their ability to make decisions that benefit the organization. According to the Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development, a conflict occurs when someone advances their own private interests over the interests of the company. In simple words, it means the employer is no longer fully objective because something personal is influencing their judgment. Next, let's look at what causes conflict of interest and the common types of conflict interest. Conflict of interest usually exists when individual advance its own private interests from its organization interests. Here are the common types of conflict interest. Firstly, nepotism. This happens when a person favors relative or friend in hiring decision. For example, choosing a family member for a job even where another candidate is more qualified. Second, financial interest. This occurs when an employer holds share, investment, or ownership in a partner or supplier company. This can influence decision making because they might benefit financially. Third, gift and hospitality. Accepting expensive gift, free tips, or special treatment that could influence judgment. This is risky because it can appear as bribery or unfair influence. Fourth, outside employment. Working for competitor or running a side business that competes with the company. This can affect loyalty, performance, and decision making. Lastly, personal relationship, romantic relationship, or close friendship that affect objectivity. For example, approving a project, contract, or performance review for someone you are close with. Conflict of interest are taken seriously in Malaysia because they can lead to corruption and unfair decision. Several laws have ensured the employees have honesty and responsibility. First thing first, Employment Act 1955. The Employment Act focuses on maintaining good and ethical behavior between employers and employees. It expects employees to work honestly, avoid harming the company, and behave professionally. Next, Malaysia Anti-Corruption Commission MACC Act 2009, Section 23. It is an offense to use position for personal gain. This included benefit like money, gift, contract, or favor. Example, awarding a contract to a relative company or accepting expensive gift that influence your decision. Punishment can include finance, jail time, or losing your job. Last, Public Official Conduct and Discipline Regulation 1993. This applies to government and public sector workers. They must always be honest, transparent, and not misuse their position. HR policy company code of conduct, for example, giving a contract to a relative without reporting it is violation and may be treated as corruption. Let me share with you guys a real-life example of conflict of interest that happened in 2021. There was a procurement officer who was responsible for selecting supplier and awarding contract. Instead of choosing vendor fairly, he secretly awarded several contracts to a company owned by its own spouses. This action clearly violated the company ethics policy, and it is also went against the MACC Act because he used his position for personal gain. When the company discovered the misconduct, the case was reported and the officer faced serious disciplinary action. Not only did he damage his own career, but the company reputation also suffered. The public lost trust and many people questioned the fairness of the organization procurement process. This example shows on how conflict of interest can harm both individual and the entire organization when honesty and transparency are ignored. Conflict of interest can bring negative effect on both sides, the organization and employees. First, impact on organization. The company reputation and credibility will be damaged when people see unfair or unethical behavior. The organization may also face legal action or financial loss, especially if the issue violates corruption or break the Malaysian law. Productivity can also be dropped because employers feel less motivated when they see favoritism or unfairness happen. Most importantly, Trust is destroyed, and without trust, teamwork is poor and communication are weak because cannot function well. Second, impact on employees. For employees, conflict of interest leads to low morale and sense of unfairness. Teamwork become harder because people may form group or become suspicious of one another. It can also create job insecurity, and increasing high turnover makes some employees to leave the company. Lastly, some workers face ethical dilemma, feeling confused and between doing what is right, and supporting someone they know. When dealing with a conflict of interest in the workplace, it is important to follow a clear process to handle the situation fairly. The first step is to identify and document the issue. This involves not what happened, who was involved, and why it might be a conflict of interest. The second step is to report the information to HR or the ethics committee. Reporting promptly ensures the situation is addressed before it escalates and ensure the company takes ethics seriously. Next, HR will investigate the issue by reviewing relevant documents and interview the people involved. This helps get hold of the facts needed to understand the situation fully. Finally, based on the investigation, the company will take appropriate action. This could include a warning, resignation of duties, or in a serious case, termination. In conclusion, conflict of interest may seem small at first, but they can seriously affect fairness, trust, and the overall integrity of the workplace. As employers, it is our responsibility to stay aware, follow policy, and report any issue that might risk the organization reputation. Thank you for listening.